It's polling day's biggest news break as the BJP has put out selective audio conversations that Mamta's poll advisor Prashant Kishore had with a group of journalists on the Clubhouse audio chatting app. And those audio leaks have now exploded on the political landscape of poll-bound Bengal, which is in fourth phase polling today. The BJP's IT cell head, Amit Malviya, has released the audio clips, 3 in all, which you'll be hearing in just a moment from now, claiming that the Trinamool's chief poll strategist, Prashant Kishore, has conceded defeat, is what the BJP says. Well, according to the audio, Prashant Kishore admits to the BJP winning according to its own internal survey. Prashant is also allegedly heard saying that there is an anti-incumbency against Mamta Banerjee and that Modi is hugely popular in the state.
अगर वोट है तो मोदी के नाम पर वोट है तो हिंदू होने के नाम पर वोट है। पोलराइजेशन, मोदी, हिंदी भाषी, एससी, ये फैक्टर है। शुभेंदु चले गए कि प्रशांत किशोर चले आए, उसका कोई वो मुद्दा नहीं है, वो मुद्दा है ही नहीं। मोदी यहाँ पॉपुलर है, हिंदी भाषियों की 1 करोड़ से ज्यादा वोट है, दलित यहाँ पर 27% है और वो पूरी तरह से बीजेपी के साथ खड़ा है। प्लस पोलराइजेशन तो है ही है। मथुआ विल बी प्रीडोमिनेंटली वोटिंग फॉर बीजेपी, नॉट एज यूनाइटेडली एज दे डिड इन लोकसभा, लेकिन मुझे लगता है अभी भी मथुआ विल 75 बीजेपी 25 तृणमूल। हम लोग एक सर्वे करते हैं कि आप वोट किसको दीजिएगा और सरकार किसकी बन रही है, तो सरकार किसकी बन रही है उसमें प्रीडोमिनेंटली बीजेपी ही आता है। हम लोग के भी सर्वे में उसको हम लोगों ने खंगाल कर देखा, भाई ऐसा क्यों आ रहा है। ऐसा इसलिए आ रहा है कि जो बीजेपी को वोट कर रहा है वो तो कह ही रहा है कि बीजेपी की सरकार बन रही है। जो लेफ्ट को वोट करने वाले 10 से 15% लोग हैं, उसमें करीब 2/3 लोगों का ऐसा मानना है कि बीजेपी की सरकार बन रही है। तो वो मेजोरिटी जो है वो आपको हमेशा सुनाई देगा, हमेशा कि बीजेपी की सरकार बन रही है। लेफ्ट का जो आदमी है वो सोचता है कि भैया कुछ भी हो, बीजेपी आ जाएगी तो हमारी दुकान खुल जाएगी, कम से कम अभी ममता को तो हारना चाहिए। एक जो उसका सब्सटेंशियल तो परसेप्शन की बात हो गई, जो सब्सटेंशियल इशू ग्राउंड पे है, जो लोग हम लोग समझते हैं बाहर जो बंगाल में नहीं पहले आए थे तो भाई बीजेपी का नीचे ग्राउंड पे वर्कर नहीं है, ऐसी बात नहीं है। ग्राउंड पर बीजेपी के बहुत वर्कर हैं और वो सारे वर्कर लेफ्ट से इम्पोर्टेड हो सकते हैं, लेकिन वो डेडिकेटेडली आज बीजेपी के लिए काम कर रहे हैं। तो कोई ऐसा एरिया नहीं है बंगाल का, 1-2 जिला अगर छोड़ दे आप, जहां पर कि बहुत मजबूत काडर बीजेपी का नहीं है।
India Today's Suryagni Roy is reporting on the fallout of this big story. You've just heard verbatim what Prashant Kishore has said in the leaks that have been put out by the BJP, but these are only a part of a larger conversation. And Prashant Kishore has come out to clarify, saying no matter what you think of the selective doctored leaks of conversation, he still holds that the BJP will not cross 100 seats. Suryagni, on the ground, I'm sure this is the big buzz. This is the big talking point among politicians, among candidates, among journalists. This has obviously gone viral. I'm sure it has been translated into Bangla also and disseminated by the BJP during the fourth phase of polling. But what is going to happen next, Suryagni? The BJP is expected to hold a press conference. Will the Trinamool also be doing that?
See, Shiv, what we do understand in this entire story of this audio, firstly, when the audio was, went viral by the BJP, there was a lot of, questions on its authenticity. But just a few while from that particular tweet, Prashant Kishore's tweet itself, stated that it was, that the BJP has been using a section of that entire conversation with the journalist and Prashant. So that confirmed that it was Prashant Kishore. Now, the mere fact whether it was a 2-hour clip, whether it was a 1-hour clip or a 10-minute clip, in a clip when Prashant Kishore, who's known to be a master strategist, master, analyst for Mamta Banerjee right now, in which if he goes on to say that Narendra Modi has a cult status among the, let's say, the Hindi Bhashi people, of which that is almost of 1 crore of the entire population in West Bengal, that itself will be used heavily by the BJP against the Trinamool in the next from today itself. The mere fact that BJP has been tweeting out loud and clear with this particular audio means that their motive is that, make the voter, the unbiased voter, understand that even Prashant Kishore admits that Narendra Modi has a cult figure. Secondly, and most importantly, what the Trinamool's counter to this will be seen in a while from now. But we do understand that they will be downplaying this.
In fact, Suryagni, sorry to cut you off like that, but the Trinamool's Dola Sen is addressing a press conference, I'm guessing, on this issue as well. Let's just try and listen in. I'll come right back to you.
जैसे पहले वो एक बार बोले थे कि बीजेपी कभी पश्चिम बंगाल में 100 भी सीट नहीं मिलेगा उनको, बीजेपी को। আমি আবার বলছি, আমি এর উত্তর দিয়ে দিয়েছি। আপনারা তো অডিও টেপের পার্শিয়াল অংশ শুনে প্রশ্ন করছেন, আমাদের পুরো টেপটা শোনান প্রশ্ন উত্তর সহ, তখন এর উত্তর দেব। পার্শিয়াল টেপের উত্তর দেওয়া উচিত নয়। কি এডিট করেছে কি বলি বলুন, পুরোটা শোনান তখন উত্তর দেব। বিজেপির বন্ধুদের বলুন না একটু সাহায্য করতে, আমরা উত্তর দেওয়ার জন্য প্রস্তুত। থ্যাংক ইউ, ভালো থাকুন সকলে।
Sen of the Trinamool addressing a short press conference, taking a few questions. Derek O'Brien also there in that frame. I'm sure we'll get more comments from both of these leaders in just a moment from now, more detailed reply. All smiles at that Trinamool press conference. Suryagni continues to be with us. The Trinamool obviously trying to contain the damage of what has been done with these leaks. When is the BJP going to be holding its press conference? I'm sure they'll also be going all guns blazing in a short while. Suryagni.
Well, absolutely, and you just heard MP Dola Sen. She's known to be very close to Mamata Banerjee and a senior leader of the BJP. Now, what she said, if we just translate it into English, it basically means that what needs to be done is that the entire audio needs to be heard, the entire audio needs to be made viral so that everyone listens to it, and only then questions can be asked, only then questions can be answered. What Dola Sen is trying to say, what we understand of it is that it is just a clip, just what Prashant said, that it is just a part of the clip, it's not the entire audio, and it's being taken out of context. But again, the BJP's take will be, it's pretty, what we have seen, how Amit Malviya and other BJP leaders have been tweeting, and Amit Malviya has stated that Prashant Kishore is stating that, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has an importance in at least 1 crore voters is of primary importance to the BJP, and the BJP will be, using that particular part, no matter what the Trinamool, says. Today, we have 4 more phases of election. Whether or not this particular audio tape will, have any impact on the voter, that is something that only a post-poll analysis can do. Back to you.
Thanks, Suryagni, for that. We've got some breaking news coming in now. Some disturbing breaking news coming in.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.